Welcome students. Welcome for Avodha Education for a Job. In this, my topic is data science. I am going to teach you in Kannada. So, in my previous sessions, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೈಥಾನ್, ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾವಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಪೈಥಾನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪೈಥಾನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೈಥಾನ್ದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸು, ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಯು ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ how to install a data software, Python software in your system, and even what is the definition of a Python and where and how. Let me see in the brief. So the first programming language is Python for a data science. So here is a definition. Python is an interpreted high level general purpose programming language, and Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation. Its language constructs as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear logical code for small and large-scale projects. So okay, I'll tell you in the brief. So let's see next. So see here, this is the logo of Python. Idu Python's logo. Okay, Python company logo. And here is a four subtopics of Python. That is, first one is a cross-platform compatible and free and open source object-oriented large standard library. Cross-platform compatible ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಹೀಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಸಟೈಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್. For a game development, for a web development, for a machine learning, artificial intelligence, and still more. Nowadays Python programming language is using everywhere as a cross-platform compatible. That means here this Python can be run in any operating system. For example, Windows can be manageable, Mac can be manageable, and Linux can be manageable everywhere, anywhere on the different operating systems. This Python will be easily runnable, and the program is very easy to write code. Okay, so it is called a cross-platform and free open source. What is meant by free open source? That means this software, Python software, can be downloaded easily. It is very free source. We should not able to pay anything, and we should not able to pay and get download. No, nothing. It is very easy to download. So next is object oriented. So what is meant by object oriented? See, now ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ in the form of programming, and then we need these object oriented things. So to do a programming we need a small objects and to make a big project. Okay, so next is large standard library. What is meant by large standard library? Library means, in my previous topic I said you we need a different varieties of techniques to as a libraries we need it. So in that I can tell you the libraries. One second, let me explain. So you all know the libraries. There was MATLAB libraries was there, and different techniques are used, and in this not only the single library will be handled by the Python. it can be multiple. So that multiple libraries can be used for a different algorithms and different programs, and then it can be easily to run a programs and to execute the program. So here we got it, what is a Python, and now how to install the Python software in your OS, that means in your operating system. So let us see the next topic called installation of a software. So first step is how to install. Before going to installation, let me explain you clearly. This software can be downloadable in the operating systems called a Windows, Mac and a Linux. So in your system, for example, if you are using the operating system of a Windows, then you need to download the software for a Windows version, and if you are doing a Mac OS means then you need to follow the Mac version, and the Linux means like Linux version should be downloadable. Here I am using a Windows, so this is the link, software link, Python software. So HTTPS, let me explain you clearly, https://www.python.org/downloads/. So let me explain you by taking this. Go to a Google Chrome, https://www.python .org/downloads. Make sure that while typing properly you type it, and you will get a proper version, and click on the enter button, and there you see the screen. So this is the screen which you want to download. See, download the latest version for Windows, and this is for a Windows. Download Python 3.9.6. so this is the recent version of the software. So click on this option. See, if I click on this, I have already downloaded. Down you can see the Python -3.9.6. this is a exe file. If you click on this, you will be continuing with the installation. ನೀವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ exe file ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and you need to select a next option, and it will get finishes, and it will be download. It will be saved in the C drive. It will be saved in a C drive. No things, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. This is the step to follow the software to be downloadable in your operating system. Okay, so already I have downloaded, so here I'm going to stop it, and the next thing is, next step we'll see the next step. The step 1 is to install the Python software, and the step 2, how to install IDE tool for a Python. Here I explained you in the previous session, we need a IDE. What IDE means? It is an integrated development environment tool we need for a Python. In that we were using a PyCharm for Python, PyCharm, Jupyter and the Spider. Here we are going to install the IDE tool called PyCharm. So how to install the PyCharm in your operating system? Again, the link is here, so let me go and type the link over there. https://jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Okay, no space anywhere, and give a slash over there. Enter it. See, this is called PyCharm IDE tool. Okay, here the option is called download. Click on this download, and see here ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಓ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಲೈನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ community which where we can explain and we can use for a class sessions. And let me give a option download, and once you give a download it starts downloading here. See, PyCharm iPhone community and extension exe file is there, it's going to download. And please download in your system. I'm going to cancel it because already it's installed. And the next step is once you finishes this, let me explain you next step. See, please keep in mind, before downloading please check the OS whether it is a Windows, Mac OS or a Linux, and please continue it. Okay, and the next step, third step ಏನide ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ how to install Anaconda. So this is a notebook, that is a Jupyter notebook for Python. By using this one, it is an distribution and entire toolkit for a Python. Okay, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅಗೈನ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ https:// come on, let me see. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, here https://www.anaconda.com/ okay, it is done, and give a enter button over there. And once you come to a page, see the products option, ಇಲ್ಲಿ product option ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and select the individual edition ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you must scroll down. When you scroll down, see there will be a 3 options. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 options ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಓ ಎಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈನೆಕ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 64 ಬಿಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ 64 ಬಿಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 3 to 5 minutes ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್, ಅಗೈನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಟ್ exe ಫೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ. Okay, here the step 3 is over, and the fourth step is how to run and execute a Python program. Here we are. Okay, here we are. See, go to Anaconda prompt. If you want to go to Anaconda prompt, type here Anaconda. See, it's here. The prompt is here, and click on this. Yes, here you see. One second, it will take a time. Yes, see, it is a C drive and users and admin. There the file is saved. Okay, so the next option is you need to type Jupyter. You need to follow Y here. You should not type I. Give a space, notebook. ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಬಟನ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1, 2 or 3 seconds to run the files, and there you will see the home page. ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಗೆ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಇಟ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಅ ಪೈಥಾನ್ 3. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. I have already opened, and see here you can rename that. Give it as session. One second. I have already created session 1. Let me take a session 2. Session 2, rename it. Okay. Once you took a session 2, see, this is the file option. Illi file option ide, nimge save as madbodu as I shown, and download as anta kotre illi download nalli notebook anta ide. Idakke dot file bandu IPYNB anta irutte. Ee ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಸೆಷನ್ 2 ನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಓಪನ್ ಫೈಲ್. Once you click on the open, it will be here. It will be here. No need to download again and again. Okay. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. 3 plus 4. What will be the answer? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬಟನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಟನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. It's a 7. Yes, we are done. The program is running. So this is the steps to follow to run a software and to run a program. Okay, the step 1 is to install a Python software, and the second step is to install the IDE tool of what you call the PyCharm, and the third step is through Anaconda we are downloading a Jupyter notebook, and the final step, how to follow the steps to open the page and to run a program. So today's session we have seen how to install and how to run a program. Another 2 examples, let me explain you. 4 minus 7 run, it's a -3, right? And 5 product 9, click on the run, it's a 45 proper. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಯು sufficiently. So next topic, what I'm going to do is I'll explain you the data types, variables, and operators and everything. I'll explain you, and I'll show you the small program how to run it. Okay, and thanks for watching my video, and please follow the each and every steps, and please use the videos and continue with your studying. Thanks students. Okay, please save it everything. Thank you. Okay, thanks a lot.